If you want to make your text look cleaner, more polished, and more professional in GIMP, learning how to justify text is a really useful skill. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to justify text in GIMP, step by step. And I'll also share a few troubleshooting tips in case the text doesn't behave the way you expect. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, select the text tool by clicking the A icon in your toolbox, or simply press the T key on your keyboard. This is the tool you'll use to add and edit text in your GIMP project. Once the text tool is active, look for the Tool Options panel. You'll usually find this panel under the main toolbox, and it contains the settings that control how your text behaves. In that panel, look for the alignment options. You should see 4 horizontal line icons that represent different text alignment choices. These icons control whether your text is aligned left, centered, right, or justified. To justify your text, click the 4th icon on the right. This will stretch the lines of text so they align with both the left and right margins, giving your paragraph a neat block-style appearance. Now, if your text does not stretch the way you expected, don't worry, because there are a couple of important things to check. First, look at the text box mode. If it's set to dynamic, switch it to fixed in the options. Fixed text boxes give GIMP a defined area to work with, which is often necessary for proper justification. Another helpful tip is to manually resize the text box. You can drag the corners of the text box to define the justification margins more clearly. This can make a big difference if your text is not filling the space correctly. Also, remember that GIMP handles the last line of a justified paragraph differently. By default, the final line is automatically left aligned, even when the rest of the paragraph is justified. That's completely normal, so don't assume something is broken if you see that behavior. Once you understand these settings, justifying text in GIMP becomes very quick and easy. It's a simple adjustment, but it can really improve the look of posters, graphics, thumbnails, and any design where clean text layout matters. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.